Piggy, 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 piggy. Right. Decided need to up the security in my garage. Fitted an alarm system, garage defender. Just got to fit a ground anchor. So went online, searched for loads of chains, loads of YouTube videos of all these Oxford chains and shit getting bust up like fuck with the bolt croppers. And then I come across the Almax chains. You probably heard of them. One of the strongest chains in the world. It was either a 16mm or a 19mm Series 4, which I went for. As you can see, this chain is fucking huge. It is heavy as fuck. Got a 2-meter one in the end. Not going to be taking it anywhere, so use it for the garage. But it's a fucking beast. Can literally curl this shit. So yeah, that's that. Gonna pair that up with an Abloy 362. I think that's a 16mm shackle on that. I don't think it's actually been picked at all, so it's a pretty hardcore lock. So went with that one to go with that, and got a fuck off ground anchor big enough to take that chain. It is thick. So what I'm going to do first, I've decided where the bike's going to go here, and I want to wrap the chain through the frame, through the trellis frame on a KTM. KTM's obviously good for that because they've all got fucking trellis frames. So yeah, gonna place this here. First thing I need to do, mark out where I'm gonna be drilling. So now I've got that all marked out. Gonna get the drill. Got a 14mm masonry drill bit. Taped it off to how deep I want to go, so I know where I'm fucking going. She likes it deep. After some hard hitting with a fucking hammer, I've managed to release the chuck and managed to get this drill bit into there. So, back on track, motherfuckers. Hoover all the dust out and shit. Seems to fit. Just carry on to the next hole. Make sure it's still aligned. Seems good. So, drilled all the holes, all ready now. So, what we're going to do is line it up. Yeah, looks good. And put these motherfuckers in. Obviously, when you put these down in, and you thread it in, it pulls on that piece there, spreading that whole piece of metal So there's no chance that's fucking ever coming out. Right, now these should just slot down in there. Hopefully, he says. Give that a good hammer down. Make sure they're all, it's all tight to the ground. Pretty fucking tight to me. Right, now all we gotta do, get the Allen key, tighten these up, and then that should spread it all out into the concrete. And that fucker never come up. Let's do this. These things take ages to tighten up. They dig into the concrete so much. Once that's latched in there, no fucking chance this is coming out. Right. Now all those are tight, tighter than your mum, as I would say. Fucking on there. No fuckers moving that shit. Right, all I gotta do now is these little ball bearings, those there, they go inside where the Allen key bolt head goes into, basically preventing anyone using an Allen key and just undoing those and taking the whole fucking thing off. So these get smashed into there with a hammer, and then Bob's your uncle. We're done.
Fucking hell.
Right, they're all in. There's no way you're getting those steel ball bearings out of there. I'll show you. They're well in there. So they'll never come out now. So you know the score now. Basically what you do is you hook your chain through that, put it through your bike, do up the padlock, and bang, you can keep your pride and joy safe for many years to come. Peace out, fuckers.